first things first, we're gonna tackle my desk. And up here I have all my daytime skincare routine. Like, I like to keep them separate. I know, like, with this, like with my light thing over, it's not the best, but I'm still able to get what I want. So here I have this little acrylic drawer. I think it's from Muji, and I think it was Nazra who got it for me. I think she had like extra or something, but I've always used this and it's so handy. So in the first drawer over here I have all my lip liners, and they're mostly Kylie and MAC, and I have some Lancome over here, Bite, but I feel like once you have them all you don't need that much. So lip liners is not something I buy a lot, but I feel like I'm pretty covered. And over here I haven't opened this drawer in so long. I have the Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I haven't worn them in so long. I have a whole video where I test them out. It's with my old camera settings and all that, and it's not the best quality, but it gets you to know what you want. So if you want to check it out, I'll put it up over here, but I don't really rock with Kat Von D anymore. So anyway, so here I have all my mascaras, and this one, the Cautious by Hourglass, is one of my fave, followed by the Lancome what's this, Hypnose Drama. Really love this stuff. And of course the MAC extended play Kikibla. Like, that's a must-have in my opinion. Then over here I have, let me just put this down so you can see. So over here I have little bits and bobs, like brushes for eyebrows, my lash stuff, my mustache shaver, like blades and lash glue, and anyway, it's just where I dump a whole bunch of stuff basically. Over here I have my lip glosses. I actually have one missing, which is the other Fenty Beauty, but these are my lip glosses. I did do some triage and I've narrowed it down to this, and I'm quite content with it. I recently got the Jouer, what is this? I remember when this was popping. The Jouer Skinny Dip, like this one. It's so pretty. I'm yet to incorporate it in a look. I was actually surprised with how small it was, but anyway. Actually, this little like container thingy, I got it from what's the name of it? Miniso. It's like this Chinese branded as Japanese, I think, I'm not sure, don't quote me on it, store where you can buy a whole bunch of things like for super cheap. And so I got this container and it's really handy. So over here I have all my nighttime skincare routine. Don't know if you know, but Drunk Elephant sent me a really nice PR package with a whole bunch of stuff in there, and I've been loving their stuff, especially like this oil. Oh my god, it's so good. And this, ooh, this to remove your dark spots and all that, Hermes balls. So yeah, and I have this little cup over here. It says Petite Dormeuse because I love taking naps, and my boyfriend got me this. It actually broke, so he's like, I'm gonna dry it away. I'm like, no, but I love it so much. So now it's gonna be my dirty brush holder. So I'll be leaving the specs of this desk. It's from IKEA. Most of my stuff is from IKEA, but I really love it because it goes really deep and really far behind over there. So even though my desk space looks crowded, I still have hella space and I don't feel claustrophobic, I suppose. In this drawer, I'm not gonna open it. It's all like my papers, documents, private stuff. But over here, I have this little insert. I actually got it from IKEA as well. TJ is the one who hooked me up. So over here I have all my concealers and correctors. I know, like, it's a lot of makeup. I know some will be like, oh no, that's not anything, but to me it's a lot. So the thing is, like, I love having makeup, but I have to have it put away unless it just gives me anxiety because I'm OCD. I need stuff to be where they're supposed to be at, arranged, unless I cannot function, basically. Like all my concealers. Honestly, okay, so, oops. So this, I need to like just update you real quick. This Magic Away concealer is not my fave actually. I did a whole review of, like not review but first impressions over here of the Tilbury makeup now that's available in Sephora. I actually ended up getting a lighter shade, but I ended up returning it because it was like not working for me. I rather much prefer my Fenty or my Too Faced actually. So good. And over here I have everything that's for eyes, so like eyeshadow primers and stuff like that. My paint pots that I haven't used in so long. If I open it, I'm sure I probably have to take it away. Even this, I'm pretty sure it's finished. I don't know why it's still here, but okay. I have all my eyebrow stuff. My favorite eyebrow tool, I'm gonna have to say, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Really love this stuff. But to be honest, like, let's be like, this brow blade from Urban Decay, especially the felt tip side, is so good. So over here I have all my contact lenses. Okay, let me just spill some tea real quick. So these ones are like some of my favorite contacts, and they're from, I don't even remember the name. I'll leave it down somewhere. But these motherfuckers, sorry for my language, they are scammers. Never buy anything from them, like seriously. Like, I ordered stuff, even advised a friend to get some, and she never got her package, never got the money back. The back and forth. I don't know if I will tell the story about this, but yeah, don't order from this bro. And it's so annoying because like their contacts are the most comfortable contacts, and they have the prettiest colors, and the price is really like affordable, especially for yearlies. But they're shit. They don't give, they're scammers. They're basically scammers. So anyway, over here I have like all my contact stuff. This is just to, you know, in case my eyes get, because my eyes get really tired, especially now. I should be wearing glasses, to be honest. Over here I have like brushes, eyeliner. And over here I have like all my like black liners on this side, and over there like more of my like colored liners. Okay, so here I have little bits and bobs of like sponges, curling, like eye curling thingies. I don't know how to call them. This, I am so sad of it. So this is the all-nighter, what is this, all-nighter waterproof setting powder. Love this stuff, but for some reason, and it didn't fall to my knowledge, but this thing broke and I'm having a hard time parting with it. So yeah, here I have like bits and bobs here and there. Like, this is the first thing. On this side I have my all my brushes actually, and when I tell you, y'all, like, I actually label everything. I have all of this in this Kia storage thingy-mabob. It's just so handy because it just fits everything, and I can just move it, and it's like not all over the place. Over here I have this basket. I got it from the dollar store, and when I finish doing a look, I put all the things I need, well, all the products I use in this basket before putting them away, so I can just like type them out. So when you open the description box, you see all the things, and I'm not here trying to remember what it is I used or whatever. It's so much easier in the process. To the back over here, so this is what you see when you watch my videos. This is Nazra, the Makeup Forever thingy. And this is Tracy, and this is Stephanie, and this is when we were in Cuba. It was so much fun. Anyway, so here is a little like storage area place thingy where it's so handy because it serves as my backdrop, but also I can put away stuff. So on this side over here I have all like my, I want to say like camera gear, like my lenses. Here I have like a toiletry bag. Here I have all my tech stuff. Over there I have all my hard drives. This basket is kind of random, but I have extra cotton pads. I have my contact lens solution. It's so random, everything that's in here. I have hair tools, so when I'm doing my hair like on the go, like in the beauty room, I don't have to go all the way to the bathroom to take care of that. Over here I have this bag that's full of empties, so when I have product empties I just put them in there so I can film and not chuck them away. And here I have this acrylic drawer. I got this, I think it was called like makeup organizer or something along those lines. When this became my backdrop, I put this like kind of like paper over it. It's not the cleanest or the neatest thing, but it just kind of hides what's behind. So over here I have all my setting sprays and primers. Love this Cover FX illuminating setting spray. Hate the dispenser thingy, so I had to, when my other Urban Decay was finished, I removed it and used it here because it always clogs and blocks. Anyways, over here I have all like my lashes. Here I have like my little book of lashes, which is really handy. I don't always like keeping the little boxes. I just have them in this little book of lashes, and since I have a label maker, I just, you know, label my ish. So that is for what's going on over here. This little Buddha, if I'm not mistaken, is from IKEA. This full plant is from Amazon. Those two, lamp from IKEA, love potion from Tracy. This little jar normally is full of like mints. I love mints. I get them from the dollar store. They're really good. My little mint jar is empty at the moment, so I'm a little bit sad, but it is what it is. First thing is I have this, I'll be linking everything. So this here, this insert is actually from Sony Cosmetics, and it's like an acrylic organizer made especially for the Alex drawers, be it Alex 9 or Alex 5. Like, it inserts and it works. Look at that, it inserts and it works. All my highlighters and my blushes. Here I have everything that's like loose powders and setting powders and bronzers as well. So here I have mostly like setting powders. One of my favorites, you guys know this, it's the Sephora Micro Smooth. This is so good. It just gives you, like, it just blurs and makes your skin just looks perfect. One of my favorite bronzers is the Casino by NARS. It's like deep enough that, you know, it's like actually like bronzing my face, but not like grayish. So I really like this. Then I have my setting powders. So over here I have highlighter palettes, liquid blushes, anything actually that doesn't fit up here, I have it in this drawer, like big highlights. So basically in here I have like highlighter palettes, blushes, single highlighters, cream contours. Yeah, they reside in this drawer. That's a little bit messy, but I understand where everything goes. Over here is the first part of my eyeshadow palettes. So here's mostly like small eyeshadow palettes, like the Tarte. These are like, I don't think they're all MAC shadows, but like I have like this orange. Like I want to do a whole look of this like orange quad. Like I created it myself and it's just so freaking cute. I don't know why Makeup Forever don't do these ones anymore. Like, why? These are so good. Like, ugh, I'm so pissed at them. But over here I have like all the purples and pinks you can ever think of. And also over here are like the shimmer metallics. I have some NYX over here. I have like hella pigments all over the freaking place. Like liquid as well. Yeah, so over here are all like single shadows and pigments basically. Over here are, I would say, my bigger palettes, and it's a Jaclyn Hill palette. This, I feel, if you're on a budget and you want to have all imaginable colors possible, this is the palette for you. I know James Charles has one that's more like artist-like with like brighter colors, but if that's not your shtick, this should be. Over here are my foundations, and again, this insert is from Sony Cosmetics, specifically for foundations. The only thing is, this is like the deepest you get with this Alex drawer, and my Fenty is like too big, so I usually just bring it down a little bit. But yeah, so here I have my foundations. Fenty, of course, always. My shade is 300. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is like my ultimate, this one. Over here, so I got this foundation because it's the Healthy Mix Serum by Bourjois, and when I started wearing makeup when I was 18, this was like the foundation I went for. I'm not sure this was the shade I went for, but like I really love this foundation. But Bourjois, what is up with your color range? Like what the I say this because they're on that like Tarte, oh we're gonna bring it out during the summer, la 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 la, but I'm here like, so why do you have like 10 shades of beige and 2 shades? Anyway, don't even get me started on Bourjois. Love this foundation, hate that they're not inclusive in 2018. And over here, oh, this is like my favorite drawer, are my lipsticks. And again, the insert is from Sony Cosmetics. Here I have MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, hella Kylie, but to be honest with you, I stopped buying Kylie cosmetic stuff because of duties, to be very honest with you. Like there are some lunches she's had and I was like, oh, this looks cute or whatever. I have some Huda Beauty over here. I have like basically almost all the Too Faced. I really love these actually. That's about it. Over here is kind of a dud of a drawer, but like it's basically extra like skincare stuff that, you know, extra space. And here, you guys have seen this before, but this is my backup drawer. So yeah,